WATCHMAN is a device that's implanted in the left atrial appendage, which is a structure in the left atrium of the heart where more than 90% of the blood clots form in patients who have atrial fibrillation. These blood clots then migrate out of the left atrial appendage to give strokes or heart attacks, depending on which artery they end up blocking once they leave the heart. For most patients, they're giving blood thinners to minimize the risk of these blood clots forming. The WATCHMAN implantation is a procedure that takes approximately 1 hour to do. Patients are brought into the electrophysiology lab and placed under general anesthesia, after which we access the vein in the leg, from which we float the catheter up into the heart to gain access to the left atrial appendage, where the device is deployed to seal the area where the blood clots actually form, thus preventing the possibility of those clots forming, or if ever formed, from dislodging from that area and going into the main circulation. The patients after the procedure are usually observed overnight in the hospital for 1 night. They're walking the same day, and they are able to go home the next day, with only limitations being that of not doing anything exertional for about a week.